In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a new budget in QuickBooks Online. This is a quick and simple process, and once you know where to find the right menu, creating a budget becomes very easy. Budgets are useful because they help you plan your income and expenses, compare your expectations to your actual numbers, and keep a better handle on your business finances over time. To get started, look over to the left-hand side of your QuickBooks Online screen and click on Reports. This section is where QuickBooks keeps many of your financial tools, summaries, and planning features. If you're not already familiar with it, Reports is an important area to know because it gives you access to more than just standard financial statements. Once you're in the Reports section, select Budgets. This will take you to the budgeting area, where you can view existing budgets if you already have any set up, or begin creating a new one. If this is your first time using budgets in QuickBooks Online, don't worry if the page looks pretty simple. That's completely normal, and it just means you're ready to create your first budget. From there, select Create Budget. This opens the setup screen where you'll begin entering the information for your new budget. At this point, take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct budget settings for your needs. Depending on your QuickBooks setup, you may be asked to define details such as the budget year, the type of budget, or other basic information before entering your numbers. Now enter the details of the budget. This is where you'll fill in the planned amounts based on your financial goals or expected business activity. Go carefully and make sure the figures you enter match the period and categories you're budgeting for. Taking a little extra time here can help you avoid confusion later when you're comparing budgeted amounts to actual results. Once all the details are entered, you're done. Your new budget has been created in QuickBooks Online, and that's all there is to it. As you can see, entering a new budget is a very straightforward task once you know the path. Reports, Budgets, and then Create Budget. If you're using budgets regularly, it can be helpful to review and update them as your business changes so your planning stays accurate and useful. Thanks for watching, and I hope this made the process clear and easy to follow.